the Bijou, which when translated into English means jewel, though some you lot wouldn't have paid attention in French at school, unlike that smug friend we all know who loves to correct people's pronunciation in restaurants, especially when other people are ordering, which is quite rich because they've never visited France and happen to buy their wife's wedding ring from a payday loan shop. This cocktail doesn't look like a dazzling diamond, but when you see the ingredients, you'll understand the reasoning behind the name. The ingredient lineup. We've got our diamond, which is the gin. I've gone for Old Faithful, which is Beefeater, which is a London dry gin, which I think works well in many other drinks. But a lot of other people like to use a Plymouth gin or more fancier brands. Then we have our Emerald, which is the Green Chartreuse, which I intend to buy a bigger bottle of when I move. Then the Ruby, which is a nice sweet vermouth. And then there's Orange Bitters, which is a bit of a modern addition, but it gives the drink a little bit more of a dimension. Let's kick this off by adding 1.5 ounces, that's 45ml of gin to our mixing glass. Then add 3/4 ounce, that's 22.5ml of Green Chartreuse. Follow up with 1 ounce, that's 30ml of our sweet vermouth. Then lastly add around 2 big dashes of Orange Bitters. Add some ice to our mixing glass, and then we're going to stir this around a minute, perhaps a bit more if you've got decent ice. If you're using poor quality ice, aim for less time. History-wise, the Bijou is thought to come from Harry Johnson's 1900s bartender manual. So it's a proper old school drink. It had a revamp by Dale DeGroff in the 80s. This is more a nod towards the modern version. Strain the contents of our mixing glass into a chilled Nicanora glass. Then garnish with a cherry or a lemon peel. The taste test. This is very herbal, very botanical, is really in your face and is really fast to make an impression. You get the gin and the Green Chartreuse competing together. It gives me a winter, like Last Word vibe, but it's definitely in the same family as the Negroni. It then rounds off into the vermouth, which gives it more of a pleasant sweetness. It's a very herbaceous one, this one, but it's not a bad drink. I'm going to give this 7.6 out of 10.